Valentine, Skyhawk by 044 Echo will be back taxiing on 32 Valentine.
Autopilot. Disconnect. Autopilot. Disconnect. Autopilot. Disconnect.
Darn it. All right. That's just dialed in. Get this dialed in. That's a crater.
Number 59 Papa Juliet, report 295 miles southwest of your destination.
We'll report 295 southwest, Nana Papa Juliet.
Denver approach, RV Niner 80 Kilo Mike, 7 miles east of Valentine, Nebraska, climbing through 6,000.
Number 980 Papa Mike, Denver Center, roger. And what will you be climbing to and what's your destination?
The call sign is Niner 80 Kilo Mike. My destination is Millard Airport, Nebraska, at 7,500.
Number 0 Kilo Mike, roger. And are you ADSB equipped?
Affirmative.
Number 980 Kilo Mike, squawk 0651.
0651, RV 980 Kilo Mike.
SkyWest 4689, Denver Center, roger. Alaska 677, Denver Center, good afternoon. Just occasional light reported ahead. American 376, contact Minneapolis Center 128.42, good day. American 376, contact Minneapolis Center 128.42. Alaska 1013, Denver Center, new code, squawk 0656. Alaska 366, contact Minneapolis Center 128.42, good day. Nebraska 729, Denver Center, good afternoon. ExoJet 500, Denver Center, good afternoon. Delta 736, contact Minneapolis Center 128.42, good day.